sorry, Mr. Honey. Let's go to bed. And if you snore again, I will snap you back to the house and make you clean up this house. Okay? Got it? Okay. Okay, good.
I want to see John Wick 4.
Nah, we're going to see a kid. Shut up! You're going to knock down when you snore again. Alright? What is going on here? It's literally 1 o'clock in the morning. I need to get enough sleep. Yeah, Mrs. Watterson. I'll tell you what's going on. Richard can't stop snoring. Gary Hedges, beat him up. Aye, aye, Captain. There you are, Mr. Watterson. Get over here. I want to beat you up. All right, your choice.